Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Pending tarring of hot and hot mixing of roads at दाबोलीम हे एक जायते दिसाचो एक डिमांड आशिल्लो लोकांचो ते आयज खंय तरी पंचायत मिनिस्टर मोविन गुदिनो हांच्यांनी हाजी लॉन्चिंग केल्लें आसा. उलयतना तांच्यांनी सांगलां की जे पंचायत इलेक्शन आहा तातूंत भितर 189 पंचायतीचें इलेक्शन जावपाचें आउट ऑफ 191 पंचायत आनी तांच्यांनी सांगलें की प्रत्येक पंचायतीन एक MRF फॅसिलिटी आसूंक जाय आनी खंय तरी कोर्टाच्या भंयांनी खंय जायते पंचायतींनी जागो दाखयला की दिस इज माय MRF प्लांट अवेलेबल लँड पूण त्या जाग्यार खंय तांचे कडेन इट इज नॉट बिलोंग टू देम एंड द ओनर्स आर नॉट गिविंग देम परमिशन आनी खंय तरी हाका लागून एक प्रत्येक पंचायतीन MRF प्लांट आसचो वेगळे वेगळे गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट आसचे फॉर क्लीन एंड ग्रीन गोवा ही आपले ड्रीम आसा अशें मोहीन गुदिनोन सांगलां.
Have got 191 panchayats. Elections we are holding for 189 panchayats. Okay, those other two panchayats we will be holding in other time because those people that time had gone to court. They could not be held along with the other panchayats, so we have to hold with a gap. Similarly, MRF is a facility which has to be there with every panchayat. But you know the availability of land is not there in every panchayat. Some panchayats, what they have done, out of fear of the courts, they have shown some land. That land neither belongs to them, neither the party is willing to give it to the concerned panchayat, whether it is a private party or whether it is Komdat or others. And to complete the necessary formalities, it is easy for anyone to say that no, this has to be done. But I have to also understand their difficulties, so I have given them more time. But in due course of time, I expect all panchayats to fall in line, and most of them are on the way to having the MRF facility. My dream project should be the dream project of every Goan to clear garbage, keep Goa clean and green. That is the emphasis. Now you have one in Saligaon, you have one in Kakora coming up, you have one in Verna coming up. Sonsoda also, the Honorable Minister concerned says that there also he will be having two smaller plants. Why this is? Because it is the need of the hour. So one cannot absorb. Bangani also it is supposed to come, he has announced. So like this different garbage treatment plants, I should rather call it cleaning and greening Goa plants. Cleaning and greening Goa, which is very much required. Garbage seems to be a dirty word. Nobody wants garbage in their background. Nimba factor, not in my background. So that Nimba factor plays a role. No, not here. Not then where? That is what is happening to garbage also. What some people are doing, they are keeping their surrounding clean and going and throwing the bag of garbage in front of somebody else's house or somebody's backyard. And that person goes and throws in somebody else's. So whole place is dirty. It should not happen that way. That कालूच आम्ही एक हॉट मिक्सिंग केल्ले आमच्या जिल्हाय अनिता हांगा पावल्ले आसा आनी आज आमी एनदर रोड वी आर डुईंग हॉट मिक्सिंग. हें कितें दाखयता की आमी सदां म्हणटा दाबोले म्हणल्यार एक उदरगतीची जोर, ती जोर केन्ना बंद जायना. ती इलेक्शन पुरती आमी केन्ना करना आनी हें उदाहरण आसा. इलेक्शन काल पयलू जाला, कांय म्हयने सुद्दां जावना तरी आसतना वर्क्स आर गोईंग ऑन. हांगाच जवळ तुमी गेल्यार जॉगर्स पार्काचें फेज 2 तेंय काम सुरू जाल्लें आसा. जें हांवें सांगिल्लें जातलें म्हूण आमी सुमार 10 कोटी थिंगाय मोडटा. लोक चिंतता अरे इट विल हॅपन ऑर नॉट, बिकॉज दोज आर सच बीग थिंग्स एंड रियली हॅपनिंग थिंग्स दोळ्या समोर चोवपाक मेळटा तें चित्र जावन आसा. आज एक ऑड टायमींग, सगळे म्हणटाले इवनिंग करया. हॉट मिक्स इवनिंग जायना, सकाळ फुडें जाता नाजाल्यार अशें दनपारां ताप येवपा जाय म्हणून आमी सगळे लोकांकूय आमकां आपोवपाक मेळना. कित्याक म्हाका आतां 3-4 मिटिंगूय आसा. एक म्हाज्याच ऑफिसान हांगा न्यू वाड्यां आसतलें आनी ते उपरांत आय हॅव मिटिंग्स इन सेक्रेटरिएट. बट हांवें लास्ट टायम प्रॉमीस केल्लें. लास्ट टायम कितें म्हणटालें, तूं सगळीं कामां करता पूण हांव आसना म्हणून. आनी हांवें हे फावटी सांगलां इवन द स्मॉलस्ट थिंग आय वील कम. A hands-on approach. Normally I am a hands-on approach person, but because of GST and other issues I have to run to Delhi आणि कामां जायनासतना म्हणजे हांगा म्हाका येवपाक मेळना. कामां चालू दवरता. बट आय थिंक पीपल समहाव डोंट एक्सेप्ट इट सो वेल. दे वॉन्ट मी टू सी माय फेस. सो आय एम हियर व्हेरी मच हियर. जायतीं हे भाशेन आमची कामां जावपा आसा. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, वेदर इट इज रोड्स, वेदर इट इज युअर वॉटर सप्लाय, वेदर इट इज युअर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, whether it is your sewage, is the biggest problem in entire Goa and for us also. Water also is a problem. Short term, long term, medium term, सगळे प्लॅनिंग करून आमी ती रस्त्यार आयिल्ली आसा कामां. It is work in progress. So you will see big things, small things, and really large things happening in due course of time. Ebashin ami Dabolim first je ami mutta. Let us really be Dabolim first in terms of development. Other things will fall in place automatically. Last, I want to say one thing to everyone present here. In this area particularly, people never came out for voting only. There was a low percentage of people coming out and voting. Means you all don't even accept. They are my strong supporters. I don't want to name anyone. They did not come out to vote on that voting day. I don't know whether they went for picnic or it was 14th, Valentine's Day, they were celebrating somewhere and forgot me in the bargain. So this thing should not happen again. And I hope next time election definitely will not be on Valentine's Day. So it will not happen. See, it will not happen again. So I'm asking only this much of indulgence from all of you. Don't forget those who do good. Similarly now Panchayat elections will come. This is not because of Panchayat election though. I never participate in Panchayat election. I want good people to get elected. All I am saying is elect good, educated people who will look after your needs. And then it becomes easier for me. Otherwise you have some punch sleeping at home, never to be seen like it happened in this ward and the other ward as well. Then it's problem for me only. Everything I have to see. So this thing should not happen. I should be assisted by that particular person. So please elect good people. And my elections you all went on Valentine's Day. Panchayat election, there is no Valentine's Day now. At least let your Valentine be the voting, putting those votes for a good person so that you all get things done and it becomes much easier for me to work. Thank you very much indeed.
वास्पोचन पूर्ण मीडिया खातीर विक्रम नायक.